3 signs that he just wants to have sex with you. He says "my love" on the second date and you already think he is your future husband. No, do not get excited thinking that maybe he's the love of your life. 1 talks about himself a lot. Nothing is more annoying than a man who is talking about him and makes no effort to know you better. If you have spent a considerable amount of time and notice that he does not ask you anything personal, he's not interested. Guys who are interested in your personality will try to learn as much as they can about you, in order to find common ground. If he wants more than sex with you, he will want to know what your favorite interests and hobbies are. 2 wants to take advantage of you. If every time you have free time, go to him and adjust your schedules according to his life, he's having you very easy. Every effort must be equitable, 50% and 50%. It's okay if you have to go very far each time you want to see him if it's what you want, but he should feel just as excited and also willing to do it every time he wants to see you. 3 competing for his attention. That man who spends his time messaging and checking his apps every time he's with you. You should never feel that you have to compete for his attention. Seriously, you deserve someone better than the one who only pays attention when you are naked. Please tell us your opinions in the comments section below. Source: http://www.actitudfm.com/. To learn more about 3 signs that he just wants to have sex with you, just click the book at the end of this video or the link in the description below to download the book free, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video with others.